that is work or energy. Okay. Part 6 we have to read different forms of energy. Before moving to this topic, just I am recalling you the previous topics what I have taught you in the previous videos. Okay. Now in the first video we have studied about work, that is work is equal to Fs cos theta. Work is equal to Fs cos theta, where F is the force, S is the displacement, and theta is the angle between force and displacement. Okay. In next video we have made and I have taught you that potential energy. Potential energy mgh. M is the mass of the body, g acceleration due to gravity, and h height of the object from the earth's surface where it is. Okay. In next, kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is equal to half mv square, where m is the mass of the body, moving body. Okay, and d is the velocity of the moving body. Okay. And kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. We have also proved it. We have also relate with momentum. Momentum is equal to root under root. You may also say under root 2 into mass of the body into kinetic energy. Means under root 2 product of mass of the body and kinetic energy. Okay. Work done. That is work energy theorem. We have also studied about it. Work energy theorem. I have also given you an assignment to prove it. Okay. Work energy theorem. Work energy theorem is equal to change in kinetic energy of the body is equal to work done on the body. Okay. That is equal to change in kinetic energy, final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. Final kinetic energy, you are taking final velocity of the body is v. That is half m v square minus half m u square. That is initial kinetic energy. Now, conversion of potential energy into kinetic energy. I have also taught you conversion of potential energy into kinetic energy. If there is a chalk at some height and I am releasing it, and there is a motion in the chalk, okay, by releasing from some height, okay, its potential energy on some height is just converting into the kinetic energy. Okay, these are all topics I have taught you in the previous videos. Now I am going to start the topic different forms of energy. There are many forms of energy present in this universe, but we need a particular forms from which we can convert of our required forms of energy easily. That is electrical energy. Electrical energy is the form of energy which is suitable to convert each and every forms of energy by the means of elements and devices easily. If I am saying that convert heat energy into electrical energy, it is very tough work. Okay, heat energy into mechanical energy, it is very tough work. Okay, while doing the reverse of this, from electrical energy into heat energy, from electrical energy into sound energy, from electrical energy into light energy, from electrical energy into mechanical energy is very easy. Means all of these forms, electrical energy is that main form of energy from which we can convert the forms of other forms of energy easily. That's why there is a work for electricity all over the world. Okay, electricity is the easiest forms of energy from which we can convert the required form of energy easily. Okay, dear. So I am going to start different forms of energy. First is the solar energy. Solar energy, the energy which we get from the sun sun is called as solar energy. How we use solar energy? By using solar energy, plants make their foods. They can take solar energy, sunlight from the sun, and make it convert into chemical energy, but through photosynthesis process, and that energy we take from the food grains and we utilize it for living, for moving, for sleeping. It is okay. In different forms, we can also convert this solar energy into our use by using solar panel, solar furnace, and solar cells. Solar panel is a device. This is a black coated device which absorbs a lot of sunlight and heat the water present inside that panel, and the hot water we use to several things to convert it into steam also. Okay. Solar furnace. Solar furnace is also a device which has a convex lens or concave mirror. You may also utilize it. Okay, convex lens or concave mirror which converts all the lights at a particular point. Which converts all the lights at a particular point and give energy a lot at that point, at that portion, and which we use for making food or cooking food. Okay, also or for making also steam. Okay, now solar cell. Solar cell is a device which is used to convert solar energy, means light energy, into electrical energy. Okay, through batteries or through the solar panel that is made up of silicons, germanium. It is okay. Now come to the point that is heat energy. Heat energy, the energy which we get by burning the coal, petrol, diesel, okay, wood, etc. is called heat energy. Okay, and basically it is measured in calorie. Okay, in prior days we used to cook food by using coal. Okay, wood. It is light energy. Light energy, the form of energy by through the means we use to see the object around us. If this form of energy is not, we cannot see the object. Basically, how we see the object? Light falls on any object, and after reflection it enters into our eye, which makes an image on the retina that is real and inverted, which is interpreted by brain and which converts into and interprets our mind that there is an object. Basically, if light not falls on that object, we cannot see. Means light is the form of energy which causes sensation to see any object. Dear student, please understand. We cannot see light. Through the means of light, we see the object. Okay? Light is a form of energy which makes a sensation to our eye to see the object. We cannot see the light. Okay? Because any forms of energy you cannot see, only feel. Energy is neither be touched nor be seen. It only we can feel the energy, that there is energy. Okay? Chemical energy. Chemical energy is that form of energy from which we get from chemicals. Okay? Basically, the energy from cells, battery, which called as chemical energy. The energy from plants is a chemical energy, because during photosynthesis, this solar energy is converted into chemical energy. Okay? That is in the form of sugar, carbohydrates. Okay? Hydro energy. Hydro energy is the energy we get from the water bodies. When a large amount of water bodies is just on a height, is fall from that height, that means to make a large amount of body on a higher position, and the water bodies have a potential energy, and that potential energy is just what by falling water on a turbine and rotate the turbine, which produces an electrical energy. That form of energy is called as hydro energy. Means in this hydro energy, the water is used to convert the potential energy of water into electrical energy. Okay. Next, electrical energy. This is the main form of energy which helps us to convert each and every forms of energy easily. First, understand what is electrical energy. When a dry body is rubbed each other, through each other, there is a transfer of electrons from one body to another body. That is outer cell electrons. Okay, the transfer of outer cell electrons, valence electrons from one body to another body. Okay, the body which will lose become a positively charged body, while the body which will gain electron become a negatively charged body. It means the body which will lose become a positively charged body on higher potential, and the body which will gain electron become a negatively charged body on lower potential. And if we connect through a conductor, the electrons starts flowing from negative to positive terminal, and current starts flowing from positive to negative terminal, which makes an electrical energy. Okay. Next, we come to nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is the form of energy which we get from the nucleus of atoms, of heavy atoms or smaller atoms. Through two processes, fission and fusion, we get energy. Okay? Fission. Fission means splitting of higher nuclear atoms, heavier nucleus into a small nuclei. While fusion means combination of a smaller nuclei into a greater or bigger nucleus. Okay. This occurs on the sun, means fusion occurs above the sun surface, where large amount of hydrogen particles, helium particles, hydrogen particles combine to form a helium. That process is called as fusion. While in nuclear power plant we use, or nuclear bomb we use fission reaction. There a small neutron is just moves slightly or bombarded slowly on the large unstable nuclei of uranium, and it will blast and gives us a tremendous amount of energy. Okay, that is called nuclear energy. Through the process of Albert Einstein equation, E is equal to mc square, that is mass defect, and the mass which is converted into energy. Okay. Next is geothermal energy. Geothermal energy, basically energy which is present inside the earth after a distinguished split or cracks. Okay, because inside the earth on the high pressure and high temperature there is a cracks, and in that cracks there enters groundwater. Okay, and these groundwaters were fastly convert into steam, and which is trapped. Okay, and after this many drilling companies find out that spots, that spring spots, and just eject out that steam and use to rotate turbine for producing electrical energy. Okay, that is called as geothermal energy. Okay, that is the trapped steam inside the earth's surface. Okay, wind energy. Wind energy, we know that we use from very early ages the wind energy by what? Moving our ships from one place to another place. The people used to make a white flag or a white boat type substance to adjust some clothes in the direction of wind, so the ship will move in that direction, in the direction of flow of wind. Okay, from that time to now we use windmill, large windmill in the coastal areas to produce electrical energy. The windmills rotate when wind blow faster, and during the rotation of windmill, there is a rotation of turbine and which will produce what? Electrical energy. This is how we use windmills. Okay, and wind energy are strong winds which rotates the windmills, wheels of windmills, and wheels of windmills on rotating helps in rotation of turbine, and after that we get an electrical energy from wind energy. Okay, now sound energy. What is sound energy? The energy produced due to the vibration and motion effect of a substance is called as sound energy. For example, I am speaking and you are just listening it. Because of my vibration of vocal cord, there is a sound produced, and you are hearing because of there is a vibration on your eardrum. Okay, this is called sound energy. Okay. Next is magnetic energy. The energy produced by a magnet, due to which a magnet attracts something, that is iron substances, that nickel, iron nails, it is called as magnetic energy. Now next is the mechanical energy. Energy produced by a body due to its motion or position of rest is called as mechanical energy. Basically, mechanical energy is sum of kinetic energy and potential energy, which we have learned. That is, kinetic energy is equal to half ampere square and potential is equal to mgh. The sum of mgh and half ampere square gives us mechanical energy. Okay. Basically, the sum total of kinetic and potential of the body is called as mechanical energy. Okay. Now we are going to the next part of this chapter, that is conversion of one form of energy into the another. Basically, why there is a need of conversion? There should be a question. Why there is a need of conversion of energy from one form to another? Because in day-to-day life, we had to do different work. We had to do, for example, we had to iron our shirts. Okay, so we need a heat energy. Okay, we had to speak in an auditorium where many number of people are sitting, and there is a need of sound, louder sound. If I will speak, the last two portions of the auditorium will not able to listen. Okay, then we need a sound energy. Okay, to convert these forms of required forms of energy from a particular form of energy, there is a need of conversion. Okay, and for the utilization we convert, for the requirement we convert one energy, required form of energy, into different forms of energy. Okay, that is, here I am starting from mechanical energy. As we know that mechanical energy is the sum of kinetic energy or potential energy. or energy possessed by a body due to rest or motion of the body is called as mechanical energy. Okay, and that mechanical energy converted into electrical energy. Here I have written in short ME, E for energy and M for mechanical. Okay, ME, M for mechanical and E for energy, mechanical energy. And this mechanical energy is converted into E, that is electrical energy. Second is energy, each of rotation, while first energy is the name, that is electrical energy. Okay, here electrical energy is just mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy by the means of dynamo. Dynamo, that is also said as alternator or generator. Okay, that is also called as dynamo. Where in hydropower plant we fix our dynamo with a large portion of wheel. On that wheel we fall water bodies from a height, that is potential energy of water, and which rotates the turbine wheel, and after the rotation of dynamo wheel there is a production of electric energy, that is called alternator, generator or dynamo, which converts mechanical energy of water bodies into electrical energy. And motor is a device which do the opposite of a dynamo. Dynamo is a device which produces mechanical energy, which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy, while motor is a device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. For example, fan. Fan is a motor. Just take the electrical energy and rotates it and give you energy in the form of wind. Okay, that is called as mechanical energy. Okay, now electrical energy is converted into heat energy. Okay, electrical energy through the electric iron that we press our sets of bands. Okay, electric iron we convert it into electrical energy. Heat energy. You may also take electric heater, which we use in winter season. Okay, to just take some heat, okay, or warm up our body, that is heat energy. Okay, so from electrical energy by using iron or heater we convert into heat energy. And a thermocouple. Thermocouple is a device like a cell which we convert from heat energy into electrical energy. Next point, electrical energy is converted into sound energy. It is very easy by taking a loudspeaker. Okay, if you speak in loudspeaker, the electrical energy is converted into sound energy. Okay, while in microphone, just I am using microphone, I am speaking on the microphone, and the microphone is just observing the sound and making it convert into electrical energy and sending to the mobile, that is in the form of electric. Okay, there is a transducer, a device with transducer is used which converts this electrical energy into mechanical form, that is sound form, and this sound form into electrical form. That device is called as transducer, which is given in it. Okay, that convert electrical energy into sound energy. Now electrical energy into chemical energy. Electrical energy, charging of a battery, charging of your mobile phone. Basically, mobile phone have a battery which stores energy and then runs. Okay, the functions of mobiles then work only depends on chemical energy stored in the battery of a mobile. When we charge, during charging of the mobile phone, during charging of the battery, the electrical energy is converted into chemical energy, and the chemical form it is stored in the battery. When you are using your mobile, just you are taking this, converting this chemical energy into electrical energy, and you are just using. Okay. during the use of a cell battery, we do the chemical conversion of chemical energy into electrical energy. Okay. Next is a change of chemical energy into light energy. Simply, if we are burning a candle is a chemical substance, okay, and which during lighting, when we lighted the candle, it will convert chemical energy into electrical energy, okay. And the reverse of it, from light energy to chemical energy, the reverse of this is done by the use of photosynthesis process. The plants take the sunlight and make their foods during a chemical process and converts it into chemical energy, stores in the form of chemical, okay. C6H to L46 formula, okay. Now in the next part, electrical energy is converted into light energy. Electrical energy which we have easily available in our home and offices, okay, and this electrical energy is converted into light energy. Electrical bulb that we use, tube light, etc. These all devices used to convert electrical energy into light energy. And photocell is a diode device like diode which takes the sunlight from this and it converts into the electrical energy. Okay, that is, here we have studied about many forms of energy and their conversion from one portion to another portion. It is so simple. You please read the book and ask during the Google Classroom if you have any problem. Okay, dear, have a nice day.